Alright guys, welcome back to the channel today. So, I got this little piece of equipment I want to show you guys. This is definitely not going to be the best review in the world because I had some issues with it. But just a brutal, honest review about the Tusk heated hand grips. Grip warmers for they're just universal. You put them on any bike. But I'm not going to candy coat it. I'm just going to tell you exactly what happened and let you guys make your own decision. They're very inexpensive. I think they're $35. I'll drop a link below for them. But let's get right into it, guys. So on the way, on the back of the trailer, going down to Idaho from here, which is, I'll give us 2,800 miles, I think. This wire right here, where it actually solders on, let me see if I can show you guys here, where it solders onto. So these hand grip warmers are basically just sticky. They just stick right to the grip, to the bar or to the throttle plastic actuator, and you just peel the sticky off and they just stick right around, and they have a solder joint here with this wire. So on the way out there in the wind, this actually broke. The solder joint broke right in here, so I didn't get to use them. This one over here actually still worked, but I didn't get to use this one at all. We were out on the trail and I didn't really have any solder. So what I did is, this wire that comes soldered to this was really cheesy, and it just a single strand wire, and it just broke from work hardening, I guess, back and forth. So I actually replaced this wire, resoldered it, and put some electrical, that special 3M electrical tape that's watertight. I put it around the solder joint, and actually a guy told me that this would happen. I don't remember if I was talking about it on a forum or something, and he's like, man, you better fix that before you go, and I didn't listen. But he wasn't wrong. But anyway, they do actually work pretty good to keep your hands warm now that I've got that corrected. But if you buy them, I would go ahead and desolder that and get some quality wire, because that wire was so cheap that where the solder joint was, and it worked, it didn't break the solder joint, it actually broke the wire. So it was just cheesy and very brittle, I guess you would say. So anyway, I did fix them, and I have used them some more between now and then, and they did work excellent. I've got them wired up on this ProCycle dash here. They work really good. To just basically just this one switch here. It lights up when it's on, and they get hot pretty quick. This one gets hotter than this one because this one's straight to the metal bar, and this one is on that plastic throttle actuator, piece. So this one definitely gets a little hotter, and they do come with a high and a low switch, but I just put them on high. And in the really cold, I haven't put them through a real cold winter, but there was a couple of times in Idaho where it got into the the 30s in August, so you were hot all day and freezing at night, and that one book was really nice to let that thing run some. And then your hands, if it rained a little bit and your hands got wet, that would definitely save you from a lot of misery. But I'll drop a link below. If you guys haven't watched that Idaho playlist, I'll put it up here above here now. Go give that thing a shot, guys. If you like off the beaten path, really beautiful scenery and just breathtaking views, and some of the best landscape I've ever ridden in my 30-something years of riding. Man, it gives me cold chills thinking about it. I'm going to work as hard as I can work to go back every year or every other year to really explore around there some more. And I want that to stay pristine, so if this video were to go viral or something crazy like that, which it probably won't, but if it did, I really want to stress that if we go ride that land, we take care of it, pay your $12 to get a sticker, even though you might not really have to because it's a licensed bike. But that $12 goes right back into the trail system. Every trail they have is beautifully marked with a wooden etched burned sign. They keep all of it up. They have a crew. Hundreds of people are involved in sawing out trees that fall during the winter from the snow. So I just want to stress that I want people to take care of that system so it stays there. Because as you guys know, we're running out of places to ride, and every day it gets tougher to find, especially around here, But anyway, if you go ride way back in the woods and it gets cold, these Tusk grip warmers will keep your hands warm, but they are not going to be the best thing on the market, I got these particular ones from a store on Amazon, I think. I'll put a link down there for them. But, they're $35, so what more could you ask for? But they're getting me by now. But just know if you buy them, you may want to desolder that off and get you some quality stranded copper wire instead of that cheesy whatever they come with. So that's all I got, guys. I appreciate you guys for following along on the channel. If you like what you see, smash that like button. Think about subbing if you haven't. And come back for the next one. All right, guys, take care.